As an empath, your sensitive nature may overwhelm you at times, especially when the energies from your environment are hard to contain. Please take a look at our products. Our products are the best quality products. The discount information is below in the description. Pick your favorites and place your order today. If you would like to see more videos like this one, click the subscribe button below. But before dwelling on the downsides of being an empath, consider the rare superpowers only you can have. You may even want to sharpen your empathic skills to your best advantage. Here are 4 rare superpowers every empath has. Number 1. Mind-reading ability. No, it's not like they show it in the movies. Mind reading in real life is a subtle and difficult task. You have to take cues from a person's body language, their energy, and the way they communicate. An empath can tell if someone is lying or when someone is pretending to be what they are not. We can all, at some level, read other people's behavior, but empaths go further by connecting all the information they get to reach a conclusion about a person. Some empaths can also sense things beyond the material world, like they have visions or can hear messages from a world not so earthly. If you can do so, then you should practice on making your empathic skills more powerful and magnetic. Number 2. An emotional ninja. You can empathize with others, but do you use this ability for yourself? Apart from focusing on how others feel, you should also start distinguishing your emotions from theirs. Don't get trapped in an emotional bubble. Separate yourself from all the mess and indulge in some self-empathy. Self-empathy is when you start paying attention to how you feel. This could have a severe impact on how you deal with others. When your compassion is directed towards you, then you feel less at odds with others. Instead of arguing or debating, you start analyzing their point of view. This allows you to filter all the unnecessary negative emotions which you might encounter with people. Being kind to others is good. Being kind to yourself is necessary. So let your hair down for a day and give yourself a much-needed break. You can start by meditation and creating an atmosphere of relaxation around you. Number 3. Transform negativity into something positive. An empath is as much aware of negative things as he or she is of positive. You can't escape negativity, so why run from it and make your task more difficult? Try to find better ways in which you can make something out of any cynical experience. You can also convert negativity by practicing a quiet 5-minute Tonglen meditation. You can also use high-energy plants or flowers where you feel there is some kind of low energy. The best and easy method is to utter a few positive and encouraging words and thoughts to people who are feeling low on energy. You can also use laughter to dispel all the gloominess. After all, there is nothing better than a shared laugh. Number 4. Turn your sensitivity into a weapon. If you are sensitive to smells, sounds, or anything else, then use it for your advantage. Instead of feeling being burdened by it, try to make it work for the best. You can use it for public benefit also, like you can create quiet places for meditation where you feel relaxed and can welcome others too. You can use your sensitivities to create something meaningful in the world. Your empathic skills are not a curse. Sure, they overwhelm you and make you feel exhausted, but they can be channelized in such a way that doesn't leave you bereft of peace and happiness. Try to sharpen your skills and make the best out of everything. You don't have to overdo it with positivity. You just have to make it survivable for yourself and for others. Empathy is a superpower alone, and yet it comes with other superpowers too. You alone can turn it into a blessing instead of a curse. Even better, into a superpower.